Hi gang, Jerry Stringer again with Timber and Beam Workshop out of Burleson, Texas. And I'm getting ready to work on a project using a template. You'll see what that is later on, but I just wanted to take a minute and kind of give you an idea dealing with mesquite wood. Mesquite is my favorite wood. It's beautiful when it's finished up. It's a pain to work with. A lot of people don't like it just because it's a pain to work with. If you look at this piece here, you'll notice that it's got a big crack in it. Mesquite is known for cracking. You can get a green tree and cut it, and the wood is very brittle. You'll see cracks in it once you cut it and it's still green. It doesn't really get too much worse after it, like as it's drying. It doesn't start cracking like a lot of woods do, but you still have to deal with the cracks. Not just the big ones like this, but you can see this little crack right over here that's kind of a hairline crack. Then you have your inclusions here, and this is kind of what makes mesquite what it is. It's beautiful, beautiful wood. Some of the inclusions are black. That adds to the effect of the wood. Sometimes you use it in your project to kind of show off that it is mesquite wood. But what we're going to try to do is use a template on this that we're going to cut out here shortly. And so the first thing you try to do is try to dodge all the cracks that you can. It just makes it easier. Unless you want them in your scene, you can, and what I'll be doing with this if I have to is put some black epoxy in though. It'll give it an accent line that you can see, plus at the same time it glues the board back together so you can use it just as if it didn't have any cracks in it. So you do your layout with your template to see how you want it to be, and you can look at it 2 or 3 different ways on how you want it to fit. I'm intentionally trying to avoid that crack there. That's that much work I don't have to do. I'll probably go this way, this inclusion right here. I'm not sure where it goes yet, so what I have to do is look at the other side of the board and see how it works. So I'm going to clamp that down with my hand, raise the board up, and this inclusion here is not on the other side. So that kind of tells me, all right, I can get up close to it here and I don't have to worry about it. But when I turn it over, I see a little crack running right here. I see a little crack running right here. Those are hairline cracks. I'm going to have to deal with those. They're, we don't want the board coming apart. So I'll lay this board out, get it cut, rough cut, and go ahead and run it through the planer, and then I'm going to put some epoxy in it to hold it together, and then move on with the project. Just thought it'd be some good information for you to know if you're going to work with mesquite. Thanks for watching.